Several years ago, we were honored to build our first home for the Gary Sinise Foundation. And this is where we design and build accessible homes for our wounded warriors. Pella was gracious enough to donate the wood-clad Steady Set windows for us.
Our framers were able to install mostly indoors. From the interior application, which saved time on ladders, saved time outside in the elements.
It was a new product for Kurk Homes to install, but it went really seamless. So we had the Pella representatives to help us. We unboxed the windows together and showed us how to install it with our construction team, and really it went in very seamless.
We were beyond thrilled to have that product in the home. We want to make sure that reputation is upheld. It's our reputation on the line when we choose to work with a partner, and Pella has never let us down.